Do you want your smartphone to do tiny planets, clone you, and automatically track your movements? Today I want to introduce you guys to Pivo Solo Creator Edition. So have you guys had difficulty creating interesting videos all by yourself? Today I have just a product here, which is just palm size, and it has the AI technology that can help the camera or your mobile phone track you wherever you go in your video. So I'm going to set it up in the tripod that comes in the Solo Creator package. However, of course, because it is very sturdy looking, it can be placed in anywhere by itself. It can easily go on the desk, and if you just want to heighten it within the desk, then you can put it in a little box, or I'm sure you will have somewhere to put within your desk. Hey guys, so to really show you guys what Pivo is capable of, I had to come outdoor. So in the Creator Solo package, there is a tripod included. And I must say, the tripod is really convenient. I can really see myself using this in any occasion, not just with Pivo but with any camera. Because this is just 40 centimeters, and as you can see, it easily goes into my backpack. So the tripod is set up and it is rather tall at 160, and if you have the Pivo on, then it can sort of go up to 170 all the way to 180 centimeter if you have it on vertical mode. The Pivo I brought it in the small travel case, and I'm just gonna quickly set it up, which is just so simple. With the base, of course, it goes into the mount. And also inside the bag there is a little remote control, and also I put in the wireless microphone which comes in the Solo Creator package. So I'm going to quickly set up. I do have a little knob here, but of course the mobile phone with the cover case can go in here because there is plenty of room, which you can tighten the grip. Hey, instant. Right now I'm inside my mobile phone in the Pivo Plus app. So you can see it instantly recognizes my face. So there is this red circle on my face and it can actually track me. Da, 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 da. And one thing to say, if you want to be in the middle of the camera, then there is a little menu here. So if you want to be at the side for some reason, if you're like teaching something on the whiteboard, then you can go on the side and it will sort of adjust you in that alignment. However, I want to be in the middle, so here I am. And the first thing you might have noticed is that there is face tracking button. If you actually turn it on, then you can see that there is a body, there's a horse, and yes, horse is really interesting. Pivo is used in many horse riding occasions, as you can see in all these YouTube videos. If I go into the setting, you can see that you can change the tracking speed, you can change the auto zoom, which is a very interesting function. So it is turned on. So I'm actually going to move back to show you guys that it can actually auto zoom. I just need to be careful because there is a step. Oh, I'm already zoomed in. I can see in my screen. So you can see it automatically zooms in, so you almost have another cameraman there to really focus on your face. But I'm also going to change the focusing to body, and it actually really works in the distance as well. So I'm going to go further away and see if it follows. So you don't always have to show your face. The thing with a lot of AI tracking, it really needs to see your face. But with this one, it can follow the body. So the great thing with body, it can follow me running. In this case, I realized I need to change the setting to fast. So now I'm going to sort of run in circle to really see how reactive it is. Right now I'm inside photo, but with the remote control inside this little case, I can just take it at a distance. With photo there is also the face tracking function, so I can move around, and also if I move further out, then it will zoom right into me. And also if I move towards the camera, then it will zoom out as well, so that I'm in the correct frame. In the Solo Creator Kit, there are so many different accessories that are useful. So now I want to show you guys the smart mount. It can turn into horizontal, vertical mode. and to change the angle of smartphone, which is really handy because here I'm only as parallel to my body. However, with this one, you can get the nice V-shaped angle. Okay, so now I'm at a nicer angle with the smart mount and I'm inside Pivo Play app, and with this button switched on, of course it is tracking my face. But just like the Pivo Plus app, you can do the body tracking and also horse tracking as well. But I'm no billionaire, so I do not have a horse, so I have to use just myself to show you guys, demonstrate how fun this Pivo Play app is. So all I need to do is sort of swipe the menu to this side, so here. And here there are plenty of menus that can be a lot of fun. So what I'm going to do is many me, because I'm going to bombard you guys with me. I think 3 of me is totally enough. Here there's a remote control so that I can be totally hands-free. This is me trying Flash. There is also Tiny Planet amongst many automatic features. Once you hit Tiny Planet button, the mobile phone will go around in full circle and generate automatically stitched 360-degree photo like here, and it can also go inverted. Another super handy accessory is the action camera mount. So this one, which is included in the Solo Creator Edition, I can actually put any of the action camera and just tighten it onto the grip. What it does is that with the mobile phone inside in this mobile phone holder grip at the bottom, then of course it can track your body via Pivo Plus app or Pivo Play app. Then you can make use of your action camera to actually track you. So your action camera will have little feet as well. Within Solo Creator Edition, just like tripod, which can be handy in many different occasions, there is also light included, which is compatible with any device out there. The battery capacity is 500 mAh, which should be plenty because it is such a tiny little device. And you can have 3 different levels of light. And it comes with the cold shoe mount, you can see here, which can be detached. So actually you can just use it with universal mount, but you can of course attach the cold shoe mount, which is included inside the box, and you can put it on your normal camera. You can really put anywhere that has the mount. For example, this smart mount, you can put it on like this. I really found that Pivo Pod really helps your smartphone a lot smarter. It's almost like having your smartphone to have a little feet, or like having cameraman in your solo production. So if you guys want to check out this little smart device, then do check out the link down below. And if you have any questions, do feel free to ask me, because now I have plenty of experience checking out this Pivo Pod. And I'll continue to come back with interesting reviews on tech gadgets and so on. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!